inside the Niger Delta.
Well, there's no gainsaying the fact that the rising unemployment rates and increasing debt profiles in the Niger Delta states are clear indications of government's failure to meet the goals of public financial management. The onus lies with the respective state governments in the Niger Delta to rethink their approach to public expenditures and economic stabilization policies. Well, we move to AKUGHA Kingdom. For youths in AKUGHA Kingdom, in AKUGHA local government area of Rivers State and other neighboring communities in the Niger Delta, there have been consistent efforts in the last 3 years to shield them from the scourge of unemployment and poverty. The role of Belemaoil Producing Limited in job creation was underscored by participants at a recent stakeholder visit to AKUGHA Kingdom for the official reopening of operations on OML 25. Correspondent Tekena Amiofori has details.
The final resolution of the protracted dispute on OML 25 is generally viewed as a welcome development, considering the economic implications attendant on the commencement of oil and gas production in the vastly endowed oil field. For most communities of OML 25, the recognition in the agreement of Belemaoil Producing Limited as joint venture partner in the oil lease is particularly heartwarming. Belemaoil has in less than 3 years of its operation of OML 55 employed over 3,000 youths in AKUGHA Kingdom and neighboring communities in the Niger Delta.
An idle mind is a devil workshop. So if there are no idle mind, why would the devil set up his workshop? So we look elsewhere to go and set up his workshop. So we believe that Belema, under Engineer 10 Jackeries, had the capacity to manage OML 25.
Founder and president of Belemaoil Producing Limited, Jackeries 10 Jr. says his company's employment policy was deliberately adopted to avert a looming social crisis in the Niger Delta.
Nigeria has a growing population, about 3 to 5%, and in the next 30 years we're going to be experiencing a population growth of about 380 million, and 65% to 75% of that population are young ones like you guys, and we're going to be dealing with a population of over 180 million in the next 30 years. And if you do nothing, then you're going to deal with a lot of social issues. I mean, if we fail to put a platform that enables business to thrive in this part of the country, then we have a major challenge.
Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Timipri Silva, is also optimistic about the future of the kingdom.
We have fought to this point, and the federal government at least has started looking our way. It is time for us to change strategy and to ensure that we begin to bring the benefits of investments to our community. If we don't make our communities peaceful, investments cannot come. The investors are ready to come here, and without the investors, there will be no jobs for our youth.
Employment generation is an integral part of Belemaoil's corporate social responsibility policy, which it has adopted successfully in OML 55. The expectation is that it will replicate its community engagement model as joint venture partner in OML 25.
Inside the Niger Delta.